video, the main command is wget. Wget is command line utility for downloading files from the internet. It supports downloading multiple files, downloading a background, and many other functions. The first thing we will do is check if wget is installed in our environment. We can do it by two ways. First way, type wget and press tab. Sorry, wget and press tab. If tab is completed, it's downloaded. If not, it's not downloading. The second way, using command rpm-qa grep wget. You can find this. Wget is installed in our system. We can use wget --help to open man page. As you see, wget has a big man page, more big options for downloading files. The main option, we will talk about it now, -v capital version, -h help, -p to run wget in background, -e to execute command for wget, -o output file, log message to file, -a append output, -d debug, -q quit. If no output, that's good option for wget. -v verbose, be verbose, this is a default. Okay, and many other options. We will talk now about wget and using it with mainly five or six options. Now we get out clear. The first thing, I will use this link to using with wget. It's link of kernel.org website. It have patches and packages for Linux kernel. Now this link will have a batch file size about 2 mega. Now the first option we talk it's using wget without options. Wget without options will install by default, where will download the file, in the location you are in, and we are in the location root. Using rhel, you can find the file batch. The first command will use it's -q. -q, it's a command to turn off the wget output. Wget output. We'll use it -q. There is no output. Okay, now check if wget is working. It's working because there is another file with naming batch.1. Now the third option we'll talk about it, -o capital. -o capital will use if you want to rename your downloaded file. Wget -o capital. Let's see, it's a test file dot test, for example, with this link. You can use also -q option, -q option. Just wait a minute, it's up to download file size and your internet connection. Now rhel, you can find we have a new file, test.test. test.test. The next option we'll talk about, it's -b capital. It's used for create a directory and save the file you want to download into this directory. We can use the same command with the -q option, with the -p capital, with the name directory, let's say test directory. If the directory doesn't exist, we'll create it. Now let's check the test directory. The test directory have an downloaded file we wanted. Now the next option, it's important option. It's limit rate. Limit rate. You put the limit rate for your downloading file. If it's reach the limit you put in, will don't download the file. Our file it's 2 mega file. Let's put limit rate to 1 mega and see if it will be downloaded. The first thing we will do is remove the existing file. Let's remove the existing file minus rf this file with start to delete the next file and this file. Check again, there is no file. Clear command. Now wget minus minus limit minus rate equal 1 mega for this downloaded file. What's downloaded file? The file is less than 1 mega, so it's downloaded. Okay, the mean here, the download rate, it's a download per second. Now you can check that we have 7 to 7 kilobytes per second. So the our downloaded is not reach the conditions we put in command. The next option, sorry, it's minus C. Minus C is resuming the download if you have an internet speed dropping. With same command here, you can use minus C. Minus C. We'll continue if you have connection dropping. We'll use minus P to running in background and minus F to check if it's finished or not. We can use minus I option to test file to download multiple files. Okay, how to download multiple files? The first thing we will do it's create, sorry, a new text file. Let's say test.txt. I will add into it the link, many links, but I don't have only one link, so I will add it like this. Now wget minus I for test.txt file with enter. You can check this. It's take first line and download it, second line and download it, third line and download it. You should be there more than one batch file we downloaded it. It's a great command. It's a great command. So I remove it, all of them, sorry. I remove it. It's a good option minus I and type what you want to download in text file. Other option we have FTP user downloading using FTP portal all via FTP. We haven't here configured FTP, so we'll skip it. Now we can use option no check certificate for websites need to checking certificate for downloading. We can use this option. Now let's back again to wget minus h for wget help. You can find here more than one option we didn't talk about it. Cause wget it's a word, a big word in the Linux world. Wget have more one option, more than one function to do. So the main options we talk about it in this video. Thank you, and we'll back again with the next video, and we back again with the videos to explain more options in WGET. Thank you very much, and don't forget, subscribe my channel. Thank you.